This won't be easy. Ready left the pile on the way. Guess you better brace for it.
Good morning. Look, a little sheep out my window. Oh, look at that one playing. Got into my Airbnb last night and yeah, this is the view from my room here. Oh, hello. Hello. What are you doing? Hello, cutie. Oh my god, look, they're all coming up here. Hello. Hello, cuties. So I've just left my Airbnb in that little town and making my way to York now. Making a few stops on the way through the countryside, through the Lakes District and the Yorkshire Dales National Park. This is my first stop so far. That was about 20 minutes from where I was. Have a look at this. That's so beautiful. Jesus Christ. The roads to get here were pretty, yeah, pretty fun, but pretty scary. It's pretty much just one road, barely fits, you know, barely fits a car and a half through them. So it's, yeah, when a car's coming in the opposite direction, it makes it interesting. Where I just came from, down there, yeah, there was some pretty hairy moments. Cars coming the other way, and you know, on the left of me is just this like cliff going down. It's, yeah, it was pretty scary, but fuck, like it all worth it for this. Look at that, fucking amazing. There's a path there. I haven't got the best shoes on, like I haven't got hiking boots on, but I'll see how far I can make it up there. So I'm currently walking up this path. It is mostly mud. I've only got these sneakers on. It's so cool though. Probably doesn't come through on the video, but that is quite a way down. This little waterfall here. This is going to be interesting coming back down. Whoa. Alright, I cannot make it up any further than this point. Yeah, some pretty sharp, jagged rocks here up. And it doesn't look like there's any path, so, but fuck, that's worth it. Found another little beautiful viewing spot, just a little bit below where I was. Yeah, nice view from up there. Only problem is I nearly stacked it on the way back down because there's like a bunch of mud, and I don't really have the good shoes on. Now I've got mud all over my bottom of my pants and my shoes. Fuck. Just got to my second location. This is called Surprise View. Just got into this little town called Ambleside. Looks really beautiful. So this is still in Ambleside. There's like these pretty cool waterfalls. This will be my last stop here, and then I'll keep going. Another couple of places I've got to stop at on the way to York. Hello puppies. Oh, so beautiful. So I am in the Yorkshire Dales National Park, and it was an awesome stop that come up that I thought I had to see. So stopped. I'm here to check out another waterfall. Don't actually know where I'm going. It's the maps and location of where you can park and where to walk are a bit iffy. I know it's like down there somewhere. Oh, it's so muddy again. Here we go. Public footpath to Scalaba. Let's go through here, I guess. A little bit slippery. There's a waterfall. Oh wow, pretty. It just pissed down here as well recently. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna get down there. Alright, we'll see. I'll turn the camera off or try concentrate and see if I can get down there. Yeah, apologies, I couldn't get down there. It just, after those like little rock path ended, there was like just mud, just like a landslide of mud there. There's no way, you know. If there were people here, maybe I would risk it, because at least if I fell, there'd be people to come rescue me, but I'm here by myself. I don't know where the next nearest person is, so I'm gonna take off now and head to the Airbnb in York, and yeah, it's about a couple hour drive, so yeah, better get there before it gets dark.